Okay, let's start. Today, I'm going to start the topic of extreme programming. But before that, I would like to start with Agile. What is Agile methodology? What is Agile technology? What is the meaning of if someone is telling you okay, to be Agile, being Agile? So basically, yes, we used to listen this term in generally in organizations that it is an alternative method of project management. Yes, it is. But if I think and if you think probably, what is the meaning of being agile? So the meaning of being agile is to be fast, to be quick enough. So that is the meaning of being agile. So same goes in context of project development, product development, that it provides a fast way to develop the project, a fast way to develop the product. And yes, it is a method of project management. Now I would like you to listen this part. Suppose that if you are working in some company and you are your boss and or your manager wants you to do some work, wants you to complete one document, write one document for him. And then what you do, basically generally the one way to do that work is that you have written the complete document, you have shown it to the boss. The boss reads it, reviews it, and he tells you the changes, that these are the changes you have to do and these are the changes required. Then what you do next, you are making those changes at the best of your level, and then you resubmit it to your boss. Now once again boss tells you these are the changes that I'm feeling right now, and these changes you have to do, and so on, it goes on like this. And if we are talking about big projects, obviously it is like very hectic to develop complete project itself first, and then you are submitting it, you are delivering it, and then you are getting lot and lot of changes and you are working on it. So another way I'm telling you what it can be. I'm moving to the next slide and I'm making you understand. See this part. So it is showing you the agile technology, how the work flows. Now the another way that I was telling you, another way is to doing this, to do the same work, that your boss wants you to write a document for him. So what you are doing, that you are asking the requirements of boss and get precise details about what he wants. Then you can create an overview, show it to him, and seek his approval. Once approved, once it been approved, you can go ahead with writing the document, after clearly setting the expectations of delivering one part one part of the complete document each week, or 2 days if the document is very small. Yes. So the next thing is the boss then reviews the part of this document you have delivered to him, and give feedback on it. In the meantime, while he is giving feedback, you can make the requirement changes, whatever the required changes that is in the document, and at the same time deliver the next episode or next part, you can say, of the document. So why we are doing this and why this technique is effective? So basically it will reduce the time taken as compared to the first scenario that I told you, and the reduced rework, reduced effort, and budget also. So basically this is what agile is and this is how it works. So you can see in this particular diagram that it is showing you the important features first. I will highlight it. This part I'm talking about. So feature list means you are asking, according to the example that I told you, you can relate it with those requirements that you have taken initially from your boss regarding document. So that one, that is feature list one, and according to those requirements you are you are doing analysis, that what you have to, and you are planning accordingly, uh, what you have to do, how you have to proceed with the document, and then you are creating one part of the document, and then after that you are going for the next feature list. You are taking the boss feedback, this one, about that one part, and then you are going for the second implementation of that particular document. And in this way, till when it will go on? Yes, of course, it will go on until unless your project is completed, and you are having your complete project in delivery mode. You can say like that. So this is what agile is, and this is the basic what agile is and how it works. Okay, in next video, I will talk about extreme programming. Particularly, this is what agile is. I wanted to give very small and precise explanation of what agile is, and so that you can understand how this technique works. Okay, then bye.